In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Internet Explorer mode in Microsoft Edge. If you've got a legacy website or internal business app that only works with older technologies, this feature lets you load that page inside Edge using Internet Explorer compatibility, while keeping the security and convenience of a modern browser. This is most commonly used on Windows devices, and if you're on a managed work computer, some settings might be controlled by your IT team. Start by opening Microsoft Edge like you normally would. You don't need any special account or extra tools, just the browser itself. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner for the menu button. It's the icon with 3 dots. Click that to open the menu, and then click Settings. If you have multiple profiles, the option is the same no matter which profile you're using. Inside Settings, look at the left-hand sidebar and select Default Browser. This is where Edge stores all the compatibility options for older websites. Take a second to confirm you're in the right place. You should see a section labeled Internet Explorer Compatibility. In that section, find the option that says Allow sites to be reloaded in Internet Explorer mode, IE mode. This controls whether Edge is permitted to temporarily render a page using the IE engine. By default, it might be set to Don't Allow, especially on newer installations. Click the drop-down next to that option and select Allow. Choosing Allow enables the feature without immediately changing any of your open sites. It simply gives Edge permission to reload pages in IE mode when needed. If you don't see the option, make sure Edge is up to date, or check whether your organization has restricted it. After selecting Allow, a blue Restart button should appear. Click Restart to relaunch Edge and apply the setting. This will close and reopen the browser, so if you have unsaved work in open tabs, quickly copy it or bookmark the page before you continue. When Edge comes back, your change is active. From this point on, Edge can reload compatible sites in Internet Explorer mode when required. If a legacy site requests older technology, the compatibility tools are now available to handle it, all within your regular browser window. If something still doesn't work, update Edge to the latest version and, on a work device, check with your administrator to confirm the setting isn't managed by policy. That's it. Your system is now set up to use IE mode in Microsoft Edge, giving you a reliable way to access older sites while staying in a modern, secure browsing environment.